Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to lock or unlock your sale order into sales app. You can see here module there say lock unlock reason. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users and see here these options lock confirm sales. First allow this. Now go to sales, create new order, add customer, add product, let's save and do confirm. So see here now display this lock button, click on add your reason, missing some products. Now click on this lock button. So see here this order is locked and display here your reason. Now I want to do unlock, so click on this, add your reason, get missing products into second order. Now click on this unlock button. So see here add your unlock reason and move unlocked. Thank you.